You know, part of me thinks that might actually be a genuine question, and so I'm going to treat it like any other question. That's a great question. I'm glad you asked, and we're going to get into it right now. Welcome back, Remodelites. I'm Dave with Remodel Media, and since 2005, I've helped you put together kitchens, baths, outdoor kitchens, and various other home renovation projects. I'm on a mission to eliminate remodel regret, and I do that by bringing you the latest tips, tricks, and products for your home remodel. So if you're new here, follow along, and we'll have some fun. And I've done some version of that intro pretty much consistently since December 31st, 2018, when I posted my first YouTube video. But what does any of it mean? February 14th, 2005, I began working in the rough plumbing side of the business. Pipe, valves, fittings, water heaters, that kind of thing. Fixture installation, all of that. After a few years of that, I got my very first job working at a kitchen and bath design showroom, helping people pick out fixtures, faucets, toilets, sinks, showers, appliances. That's where I learned appliances, as well as I began to learn cabinetry. I also learned lighting at that job as well. And that skill set translated to another job with a similar company and another job with a similar company after that. I'm purposely not mentioning company names because most of these you could probably figure out from context clues anyway, but I'm making sure that I'm not speaking for the brand or the company. Intermixed in there, I was also the apartment manager for the apartments I was living in at the time. So I had the job of maintaining those apartments, faucets, fixtures, snaking things. You know, you get the drill. I was the site super. For a few years, I had my own company, Menifee Fix-It, a local handyman company in the town and area in Riverside County, California, where I was based. And that actually did pretty well, installing people's fixtures. Again, basically basic plumbing stuff. That's also sort of when I got bit by the social media bug talking about this kind of stuff. Although I hadn't completely gelled everything that I was going to do, I was sort of learning social media as I went. It was shall we say, a work in progress. I stopped doing that around the same time I got a job working for another kitchen and bath design showroom in Anaheim, California, which is where I filmed some of my very first YouTube videos. There, I also learned about doors, windows, skylights, and again, I got to practice plumbing, fixtures, appliances, cabinets, and countertops. In June of 2018, my youngest son, Joshua, who was I think he was in kindergarten or first grade at the time, he was 5 or 6 years old, he came to me and he said, "Dad, will you help me start a YouTube channel?" And I said, "Absolutely." I had no idea what I was doing, but I said absolutely because that's what a dad does. So I did a deep dive. I started learning how to read YouTube analytics. And so the 4th of July, 2018, my youngest son and I filmed and he edited his very first YouTube video. I helped him create a YouTube page and with a YouTube banner and a YouTube channel name, Joshua's Videos. And I'm sure in his mind, he saw himself as the next Markiplier. But I don't think Markiplier's done being Markiplier. So, but anyway, that was valuable experience. And he and I would go hiking, or play video games and edit videos. And all of those videos that he posted are edited by him. Either he was sitting next to me and making decisions as I was doing the editing, telling me where he wanted cuts and where he wanted B-roll and stuff like that. And I provided a little guidance, but this was all his creative vision. But I also, as an extension of that, learned video editing. So all of these skills kind of came to a head one day when or maybe November of 2018, I'm walking a customer through the showroom in Anaheim, California. And my coworker Carlos was over in the corner chuckling, and I kind of went over to him and, "What are you chuckling about?" He said, "I was just listening to you, man. You need your own TV show." And I laughed and I said, "That's so silly." Wait, I can do that. I know how to do that. I have all of the skills and the experience necessary to do that. I can do that. And I did that. I have always positioned myself as a plumbing expert and as a product expert and as a kitchen and bath design expert. These are my areas of expertise, 100%. I've never made any other claims. I have never claimed to be a master electrician, although I do know about lighting and I know some basic electrical. I've never claimed to be a master carpenter, although, again, I do know about cabinets and hardware and things like that. And I have picked up a few carpentry skills, but I have never, nor would I consider myself a carpenter. I am an expert on kitchen and bath products. That is my expertise. Also within that realm, laundry room, outdoor kitchen. So when I say since 2005, I've helped people put together kitchens, baths, outdoor kitchens, and various other home renovation projects, that's what I'm talking about.